Hi guys, Roger Snipes here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use the battle rope. The battle rope is generally used for any type of circuits, drills, or perhaps even a warm-up. But most of the time people want to use it to kind of get the heart racing nice and quickly. I've seen people do this in different ways, and not all of them are correct. So we're going to run through a few ways in which you can do it and making sure that you are engaging the body the right way without causing yourself any injury. So first of all, what you want to do is grab the handle at the end. Normally it's nice and smooth, but makes no difference. There's different types of ropes out there. Some of them are going to be older than others, frayed or not frayed. This one's relatively new. Okay, so what you want to do from here is get your body in a kind of semi-squat position. So you're not going all the way down, but you're going to go probably about 45 degrees from a seated position. And from here, you want to lean forward ever so slightly. And then from here, you want to create a ripple effect on both sides of the rope. So one side here, one side here, one side here, here. Just pick up the pace. Most of the action is actually happening in the wrist. So some people move their shoulders around like this, but I find it to be a lot more comfortable if you just control it from the wrist. More from the wrist, and just keep your body in a nice steady position. So how you want to do it is like this. More wrist. A lot of the time what I do tend to see is people moving their arms like this. Perhaps you could do it that way. I don't know in terms of safety whether that is good or not, but I would say it's easier if you just control it in the wrist. You're still getting a lot of cardio in. If you engage your core as well at the same time, just really embrace and tighten your core as you're doing it. It will feel nice and comfortable. You can create bigger waves without moving your body like this. Nice big waves. Make sure you're breathing as well. Controlled breaths. When you control your breathing, it allows you to go longer. Short, sharp breaths is going to exhaust you much quicker. So with this, it's very important to make sure you control your breathing. Controlling your breathing, balance your autonomic nervous system and stimulate your parasympathetic. Your parasympathetic is more your rest and digest. So it's getting your body to be calm throughout the exercise. If your body feels a bit frantic and a bit nervous, that's when breathing becomes very heavy, just exhausted quicker. If you want to have sustained energy and more stamina throughout this particular type of exercise, breathe through the nose and out through the mouth as much as you can. So and focus. A lot of intentional breathing, focus, and just relax your mind as much as you can. So you've got those two forms where you do the small ripples and you can do the larger ripples, and controlling the shoulders without rocking too much. I think that would probably prevent a lot of injury. When you've got people swinging and going all over the place, I just don't know whether that is safe. But another way you can use the battle rope is you can actually rotate in a clockwise and anti-clockwise with both arms. So rotating them against each other like this, towards each other in a circular motion. Same sort of thing with the breathing, through the nose and out through the mouth. Controlled. And it keeps the body more in a parasympathetic. That way, you have more sustained energy. So you can do it anti-clockwise, clockwise, or clockwise, anti-clockwise, turning it in as well. So those are the different ways in which you can do it. You can choose however long you want to do it for. You can do it as part of like high intensity interval training, this, and mix it up with going on to a watt bike and then maybe some jumping jacks and just mix it all up. But what's really important is just making sure your body is locked in position when you're doing it, so that you're not using too much of other muscle groups that just shouldn't be used. Whole idea is get your heart rate moving, get it moving, getting your body get your body like heated up, muscles pumping, blood pumping everywhere, and not dislocating your shoulder. So we want to just, I think, avoid this and control it more, or smaller ones. Still gonna feel it in the heart. Or you can double it up. You can take bigger weights, but controlling the shoulders. You're not going like this. Controlling the shoulders, but none of this shrugging. Okay, hope you guys found that useful. Roger Snipes, out.